10 easy tricks to make people like you instantly. Why is it that you feel a chemistry with some friends and not others? Different people will click with you based on different things. There's no way to really predict what will make someone like you, but usually, the more you find something in common with someone else, the more likely you'll like them. It might seem like there is some mysterious force drawing people to one another, but it's not usually the case. Let's be honest, you can't help but develop feelings for that person you feel has plenty of charm, wit, intelligence, and charisma. But what if it wasn't all about connection, because research in social psychology says liking and loving could happen by simple mundane factors, like how often you notice yourself thinking about someone or how often they come to mind. This research can show you some simple methods for becoming more likable. This will help you meet your fundamental need for connections with others. Here are 10 easy tips and tricks to make people like you instantly. Number 1. Smile. Smiles are free but powerful. The moment you greet people, give a genuine and megawatt smile. You will give a very positive feeling to the opposite person and will show that you are very happy to meet this person. So do smile because it works. Number 2. Pay attention to your personal hygiene. You want to smell nice and look presentable to people, especially if you want to make a good impression. Make a little effort to freshen your mouth, trim your nails, and remove any unwanted hairs. Making a little effort on this will go a long way. Number 3. Remember and say their name. When you put in conscious effort to remember and say someone's name, they feel seen and are automatically more likely to listen, as it shows that you pay attention and care about them. Try to mention their name at least in the beginning and at the end of the conversation. This will help you build rapport quicker. Number 4. Compliment generously. Don't be stingy with compliments. The truth is, people feel amazing when others notice and compliment them. Of course, we all like that. For instance, you've got a friend and she has started a diet routine. You could say to her, "Oh wow, I noticed you have lost some weight. You are really looking fit and fabulous. Your effort has paid off." That's going to hit her because that's what she's probably struggling with, trying to control her food and exercising, and so that's where she would really appreciate recognition, and of course, she's going to appreciate your compliment for that. Number 5. Tell a joke. This can be a little tricky. You want to ensure that your jokes come naturally and work well contextually. It will backfire if your jokes come off as forced or inappropriate. If you do it right and people laugh at your jokes, their brain releases the feel-good chemicals that make them feel happy, and so your good sense of humor will make them want to be close to you. Number 6. Give undivided attention. Now, when you are talking to someone, be completely glued to the conversation. This brings confidence in the opposite person, that oh yes, he's listening to me and he's very interested in what I'm saying. Hence, this would make the person like you instantly. Now, even when the conversation ends, do not just look away immediately. What you need to do is reluctantly or slowly look away from that person you are talking to, which means that don't break eye contact instantly. Number 7. Ask question. When you ask questions, it tells the person you are talking to that you think they are interesting, and it takes the conversational pressure off of you. When you direct discussion towards them or their passions, they are more likely to enjoy talking to you. After all, people love talking about themselves and their interests. When people share their interests with you, search for opinions or values that you have in common. Known as the similarity attraction effect, this phenomenon can help you become closer to people you have just met. Number 8. Be confident, but it's okay not to be perfect. Experts claim that people who don't hide their flaws are more likely to make a good impression. Opening up to someone shows that you trust them, and it also makes you appear truthful and brave. People will find you more relatable, and they'll be more likely to feel more at ease with you. Being your true self will not only cause other people to like you, it will help you build more meaningful connections. Number 9. Go the extra mile. When you go above and beyond for someone, and that person is not aware that it's happening, that's where the biggest impact is made. For instance, you went out for lunch and you know your friend was upset over her family issues. You know the specific cake that your friend likes, and you just pick it up and give it to her. Holy cow, that will make an impression to your friend. Number 10. Open body language. Your body language is the first thing that people see about you, so do take note of the following. Stop fidgeting with your hands, like stop wiggling or even stop scratching your head. Sit nicely and not shake your leg or bite your fingers. These don't look good at all and make you appear as nervous or distracted. Do not put your hands to your pockets or cross your hands. These gestures often show disinterest, boredom, or could also appear as being defensive. Instead, open up your hands and use your hands as a means to express yourself. When you are sitting down and talking to someone, lean towards the person. This immediately sends a signal to them that you are interested in the conversation. Having said that, it is not realistic to expect everyone to like you. What you should do is to treat others genuinely. Tactics may help you be more popular in the short run, but in the long run, sincerity will always be your best option to win others, to move others, and to let others accept you wholeheartedly. Hi, my name is Jessie. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Kindly support my channel by liking and subscribing. Do comment in the section below the tips that you are going to apply. Till then, all the very best to you and see you in the next video. Thank you!